Uba Renikton lingdot tong kharu menteri berekmi ikatanat PHE ke sarkar jilla bat u chairman ke regional committee West Khas Hills district kabare kawai nagi committee kabayet benia ikilat hilenti nak benta ki kampen bajput hapreng kam jilla Meghalaya bat Assam haka phase 2 ulaong bakamon ki Nongshong Shnong naki Shnong baper kadai ka kongsan bha nak benta ka jing pen bajput haka thaiñ Langpih.
You see this base what we have done on the first phase. Even though there are 5 principles, but you know that this ethnicity and the willingness of the people has dominated. So I hope even this time also, willingness of people will play a very important role to decide where the villages will belong. So that's why it's very important for people to be free to express whatever they want to express. And it is very good if people can be united. It's very important. We expect the people, they should collectively take the decision as the entire village and if possible the entire area so that we can settle at once. Because if there is a mixed reaction, if some group of people wants to be in Meghalaya, some group of people from the same village wants to be in Assam, it is very difficult to settle such kind of villages. But if entire village can take the decision unanimously that they want to be in Assam or they want to be in Meghalaya, it will be very easy for us to take the decision on those villages.
Dakaba penpa badan kami kasur kabaya teli ulaang bakan long kaba lada kawai ka kunhun ka kwa bandan sa Meghalaya bat kawai pat sa Assam. Langpih sektor kadai kawai na ki hnrut li jaka badan jeng kan at khapot belabu ban pynbeit haka phase 2 bat kidan ki Shnong ki ba ki Nongshong Shnong da ki jaj ban riu Nepali ki ba khlam wan mi haka jinga lang kabaning kong jong ka committee walakat tau ba Renikton ulaang baka committee kan hiar jurep sa Langpih haka tayo ban wan bat kan pha wan ya barok ki Noy lam Shnong ki Nongshong Shnong haka tay ka jing jurep ban ya mir jing mut bat ka rai pat ban skap ya kasur ki Nongshong Shnong kan dai andala hiar lang da ka committee na ka sarkar Assam.
You see, we know that it is very difficult, everybody knows, but I personally see that we may find a solution. If we are ready to really listen to the people's willingness, we may be able to find a solution. Of course, we understand that those people, especially Nepalis, they don't want to be in Meghalaya as of now. We know that they would want to be in Assam, but the area, it seems it is too difficult because they are residing in the middle. If they can consider all those, since it has been surrounded by the Khasi villages, by the Kyrwoh villages, it will be very good if we can convince government of Assam that all those Nepali villages also to fall under government under Meghalaya boundary. It will be very good. We will try to do that. Let's see, we will go to all those villages, but whether they cooperate with us, whether they come on the day when we will be going for the because you see this inspection only from our side, we will not go to ask people where they want to be, because we want to do that only on a joint inspection, because we cannot claim, Assam cannot believe on our say that these people from that village, they want to be in Assam or they want to be in Meghalaya. They would like to see only by their own eyes and to hear what people say. So we will go jointly and we'll take the people's decision, the people's willingness, only when we both go on the spot.
Halor kajing soy Memorandum of Understanding MOU Phase 1 ulaang magadang sa hagajing jurep penya dakatrat survey ringkat kibor penya district.
You see, first phase is under survey by the Survey of India that is going on, because to identify the exact location, it still need to do the survey. So that is on the job with the understanding with both the district administration, they are doing the job.